Oh, what's up, y'all? What's up, MTV Chris? You gonna take it over here. Xbox 360. You gotta have an Xbox 360 in your life. You got to. These feet on the ground because I got an Xbox. See-through more controller. It glows up, you know. I got baseball over there. Alright. I got the Xbox here. Movie. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. I got my PSP. My PSP, I got Madden 06. I got some games for it, but I don't really play it. My little brother play it, so it's alright. I'm gonna show y'all my room.
Is that a long time?
This is my room. Like my bed. Alright, look at that. Look at that. All that stuff right there. Alright, you see the radio, DVD player. This is my TV. Look at all that change, nigga. Use that for toe. Well, this is my bed, phone. Gotta have a hairbrush. Alright. My these stuff. Now look at this killer right here. Look at that killer right there. Yeah. Well, alright, MTV Cribs. Y'all just check that.